Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque.
The North, Batanes, Aparin, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Provincia, Union Baguio City,
Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna.
Now let's go to the Southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon,
and the islands more, Mindoro, Maranduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan Shore, famous fish, sugar, coconut and corn.
Cebu, Banglan, Mandaue, Bohol, Samar, Leyte,
Iloilo, Capiz, Sapique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete.
Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukid ng Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Putong, Agusan, Surigao,
Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Misamis, and the three provinces of Davao, Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sur, Tawi-Tawi.
Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. Outdoors are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.